The World Bank Board of Executive Directors has approved a $180 million investment project financing loan in Morocco. This is to support resilient and sustainable agriculture by improving the quality of farm outputs in the country and helping smallholder farmers. Here are the details of this and much more from across Africa.
The funding will boost the resilient and sustainable water in agriculture project, aiming to enhance the governance of water in agriculture, improve the quality of irrigation services, and increase access to advisory services for irrigation technologies. It will uplift the agri-food sector, which is a major driver of economic and social development for Moroccan citizens, as it amounts to 21% of the GDP and accounts for nearly 39% of employment in rural areas. This project financing will also support the vital sector in alignment with the country's Green Generation Strategy, the National Water Plan, and the New Development Model. Meanwhile, as the war rages in Ukraine, impacts of rising food prices and shortages of staple crops are already being felt in the North Africa region. UN's International Fund for Agricultural Development has warned that if the situation continues, food and consumer good prices will go up every day, making global hunger and poverty escalate. The Middle East and Africa imports are more than half of their cereal supplies, like wheat from Russia and Ukraine, which will make citizens grapple with high food prices and shortages. Also, spikes in fertilizer prices have contributed to a rise in food prices by about 30%, making Africans dig deeper into their pockets. Finally, a new cross-river bridge funded and built by China has opened in mid-western Senegal's Fangjouni city, with a 1,600-kilometer route connecting the two sides of the Salmin River. The project will help lift trade in the country, as it connects essential routes along the business centers. Also, it is an embodiment of China's active implementation of the 10 major programs to boost China-Africa cooperation, which was launched in 2015. Aiming to drive African countries' cooperation with China in the fields of industry, agriculture, infrastructure construction, finance, green development, and poverty alleviation.